Today is Tuesday, April 5th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVILLE left-hand driver's side exhaust manifold. This is the original vintage casting 1486383 for my friends at College Auto House in New York, Pete, Phil, and Henry. And the unit is absolutely in pristine condition. The faces for the mounting onto the heads have been remachined and are perfectly parallel. Absolutely beautiful, in order to ensure excellent sound integrity. The unit has been MagnaFlux tested and climatized with a surface treatment. I'll go ahead and turn it over and we can inspect the casting number. Right there, 1486383. No cracks, no imperfections or anomaly, nothing to prevent this from being installed into a show quality vehicle and achieving the desired sound integrity necessary for a serious Cadillac owner. Okay, so the unit has been metallurgically satisfied as being defect free. We'll take another look at the machined portal faces for mounting onto the heads. And we have excellent threads on the original studs. Okay, and this unit will be shipped out to my friends at College Auto House. As soon as I get their okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 300 original vintage exhaust manifolds for the 1959 to 1976 Cadillacs and Cadillac Eldorados. I have over 75,000 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection, and over 375,000 Cadillac items overall from 1959 to 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, obviously the exhaust manifolds, and other critical, hard to source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, April 5th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.